Spokojnie, bo to jest biega. Co teraz możemy robić?
Ready Pembrey. What they're winning. Not able to take him off. Joe is doing everything he can in that reposition. But flat to first. Massive in the middle. For the long sweeper, does manage to gain that proximity back in again. Now they need to slow it down for this last part of the section, but Joe is absolutely on the fly. Ryan having issues with the car off the start line. Joe Smith behind. Joe Smith holds his hand up like, mate, what was that? I wanted to give you a decent battle. I wanted to win this fair and square. But unfortunately, it does look like Ryan Burgess has to pull out of the final with an issue.
Right, champagne time.
Oh, Jesus.
What have we got? Not over here.
Give me a chance. Oh, he threw me trophy.
Into the first corner. No one goes versus these 36. Having to go on a slightly shallower angle, but now they start to turn on the straight, start to tie the pressure. They're winning as they come through the sweeper. Both those guys, brilliant so far, unmatched, turning on the smoke. Funny though, they're absolutely on the floor. Stephen Lynch is going to have to do something here. Away from Stephen Lynch. Stephen Lynch makes a dive into that last section of the course. John Lovelow's a nightmare win. Through the smoke, where is he? There he is. He pops out through the smoke. Step back, step back. The power in that E30. Trying to chase down the S13. Incredible driving for both those cars. He's still winning. Jordan the Poser has lost the tyre. The tyre is gone from the rear right wheel. He is now wheeling around the course on one tyre and still managing to do it. Wow! Was he going to get for club? He does a fantastic job in just allowing him to transition through the stroke. I can't really see. He goes right into the rear bumper. Now he's Lynch with a huge error there. Lynch on much more angle, but Jordan on the front. Now they stop the guy on the stroke. There's separation already. Jordan starts the car. On a weird line, Stephen Lynch manages to get back on the line and manages to gain that proximity. Massive initiation into that first corner. Really nice proximity look at the proximity. He now needs to go right towards him and dive towards him. Oh, a bit of a straight step from there. Oh, Stephen Lynch goes off course. Stephen Lynch heads off course. I believe that tyre is deep-beaded as well.
For the second step on the podium, Stephen Lynch. And I'll greatly announce the person taking first step, the man from France, joining the podium.
Let's go!
Right guys, hold the trophies up, face smart.
Get to the front, you guys!
What is